Hey, good day. I just wanted to share the slide out in today's check-in. I'm going to make these available so that everybody can use them, and I think they may make working with video a little bit easier for all of us. So the way this one works is we have a video that we're able to insert here. We're able to keep the video time in sync with the timeline down here, and then use these buttons, which we've programmed, to jump to different points in the video. So we'll click this to play, and our video gets going. You'll see that it's in sync with the timeline down here. Jump spot 1, jump spot 2, jump spot 3, jump spot 4, and we're still in sync down here. Pause here, pauses this, pauses the timeline. So I'm sure we could think of lots of creative uses for this if we had a long video that we wanted to split into sections. Instead of having to split that video up across slides. But let me show you how this is made. So here we are looking at the design side of things. Let's get rid of the play triggers right here, and we'll just kind of look at this. So we have our video that we've put into here. We have a trigger programmed over here. So for example, on this button, we say when the user clicks the button, jump to 12 seconds on this slide, and then play the timeline. And this is important because within this trigger, you can choose that when it jumps to a certain point, it pauses instead of plays. Now what these triggers do is they change this, the kind of gray shaded box with the play icon, change this to the hidden state. And the reason why we have this on here in the first place is this is part of how we keep things in sync with the timeline. You see, when the slide starts, we program it to jump to 0 seconds on this slide and then pause. So that's why the timeline is not initially playing when this starts. What happens is when the user clicks this, we do a few things. We play the video, we hide that, and then we resume the timeline on the slide which we had initially paused. So this is basically a tool that keeps things in sync with the timeline. Now what I found is that when I would test these buttons out, this would reappear each time over the video. So that's why we've programmed onto the buttons to hide that again. So essentially we have, again, just to recap, one video, as many different time points as you might want. In this case, we've used 4. And on each button, we're just basically saying when you click the button, jump to this particular time on the slide, and then continue playing, which continues playing the video. One additional note to make is how easy it is if you want to use something like this in your own project. You don't have to program all these buttons from scratch, because what I've done, again, is if you bring this slide into your own project using Team Slides, because it's built with a master slide that uses a video placeholder, check this out. Delete the video that's in here. Now the master slide already has a placeholder for any video that you want to put in here. So if it's a video of your own choosing, you can go ahead and choose a video that we've made. Let's go ahead and insert video, just for our purposes, from the stock videos that we have here. We'll do the Ferris wheel. So it inserts our video for us. Go ahead and resize this to fit the video shape. Easy peasy. There we go. And then everything still works. If we need to adjust the times, we certainly can, but that's how easy it is to swap out a video.